Hey there, today I'm going to be showing you an area that we call Client Gateways. To get there, we're going to click on Studio and Clients, Clients, and then into Client Gateways. A client gateway is an area where you can assign different documents, galleries, contracts, invoices, and other things to specific clients or for specific projects. In here you can see a couple of different example gateways, and they have contracts, questionnaires, invoices, galleries, and other linked files. Everywhere that you see an exclamation point is an area that needs a little bit of attention. For example, this client may not have signed their contract yet, this one didn't fill out their questionnaires, and other items such as that. If we were to click into one of these gateways, you can see all the different items that we've associated with the gateway. The red text indicates that there's something that needs to be taken care of with this. In here you can see that there's a payment required, a signature required, and we're waiting for a response on a questionnaire here. If you scroll up to the top and go into our gateway options, you can either view the gateway, you can send gateway invites, or you can get shareable links. I'm going to go ahead and get some shareable links. I'll copy the URL for Rebecca, and then I'll view that URL here. Here you can see that this is a gateway that was created specifically for Rebecca. It has the galleries that we've associated with it. It's got the invoices, the contracts, and the questionnaires. On this questionnaire, it says that it's been assigned to Rebecca, and so she has a respond button. If we were to go back to the gateway, get those links again, copy the link for John, and then scroll down to that same questionnaire, you see that he can't respond to it because it's assigned to Rebecca. Similarly, the signed contract button here, this is specific to the person that's viewing the gateway. So this is John's signature link. If he clicks on the link, it would allow him to sign this contract as himself. And then if we go back to Jane's, she has a different link for that contract, and if we were to click on it, and you see at the bottom that it's waiting for her signature here. So we'll head back to our gateway area again, and we'll go over a few of the different things that you can add to your gateways. So for invoices, you can click Manage Invoices, and you can select an invoice that already exists, or you can create a new invoice. When you click Create an Invoice, it'll take you to the invoice creation screen where you can create an entire invoice and then click Save. Once you've saved the invoice, it will automatically add it back to your gateway so that it's available for your clients when they view it. Same thing with the contracts. If you click Manage Contracts, right now there's no additional contracts for them to sign, but we can create a new one and then create an entire contract from here. Scrolling down a little bit, we get to the questionnaires. We can manage our questionnaires, and here you see that we have the one questionnaire already selected. We could take it out of the gateway by just clicking the X on it, saving it, and then the questionnaire is gone. If we wanted to add it back, click Add Questionnaire, select it, save it there. With our galleries, if we wanted to add additional galleries to this, we click Manage Galleries, select the galleries that we want to add, click Save, and then same thing for sessions and documents. You can upload any type of PDF that you'd like, including style guides, location guides, pricing guides, or anything else along those lines. To do that, click Upload PDF, select the file, and then it will upload here for you. Once the file's been uploaded, it displays within the gateway, and then if you were to view the gateway, you would see the file as a downloadable link. So we'll scroll to the bottom. Here's the file here. Your clients can download the file from there. And that's a quick overview of how the gateways work. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.